The transformation begins here, with the raw material. Fresh from the abattoir, a new journey starts. Each hide carries the potential for luxury, but first, it must be saved from nature's course.
Preservation is paramount. The first step against decay is curing, a battle waged with salt.
Salt is the ancient guardian, drawing out moisture and halting the relentless march of bacteria.
Here they wait, preserved in a state of suspended animation. The first battle against time is won.
Now, rehydration. The hides enter the drums for soaking, washing away the salt, dirt, and impurities.
Clean water is the first element of purification, restoring flexibility and washing the slate clean.
The constant, rhythmic motion ensures every fiber is thoroughly cleaned and meticulously.
Next, the liming. A precise chemical process designed to loosen the hair at its very root.
The old surface is shed, revealing a clean slate beneath. Stripped bare and purified, the hides are now ready for the next stage, mechanical refinement. Fleshing, a crucial and aggressive step to remove any remaining flesh and fat from the inner surface.
Sharp, helical rollers work with mechanical precision, scraping the inner surface perfectly clean of all impurities. This methodical scraping ensures a perfectly uniform thickness, which is critical for the stages to come.
A perfect, clean surface is achieved. The foundation for quality has now been meticulously set.
Now, the hide is prepared for its most critical phase, tanning, the alchemy that turns skin into leather.
Tanning is the heart of the process. It converts perishable hide into durable, timeless leather. Chromium salts, the catalyst of change, will permanently alter the hide's fundamental molecular structure. This chemical process makes the leather permanently resistant to decay, moisture, and heat. It is reborn.
Time and chemistry work in unison, patiently forging a completely new and enduring material from the old. The result is wet blue, stable, strong, and a versatile canvas ready for its final refinement.
From this remarkable blue canvas, any color, texture, and finish is now possible for the artisan.
The leather is still too thick for most applications. Splitting divides it into precise, usable layers. A continuous band knife, sharper than any razor, performs this most delicate and precise operation. The valuable top grain is separated from the split leather beneath, each destined for different purposes. Top grain contains the hide's strongest fibers and its natural, unique surface markings. It is the pinnacle of quality.
Finally, shaving. This last mechanical step guarantees an absolute and unwavering uniformity in thickness across the entire hide.
Precision to a fraction of a millimeter. This is the uncompromising standard of quality and control. The blue canvas is now ready to be painted. The final transformations of retanning and dyeing begin. Dyes, carefully chosen for each specific order, are added to create the final, desired, custom color. The leather, a porous canvas, absorbs the new color deep into its fibers for a permanent finish. Next, oils and fat liquors are introduced to soften the leather, giving it its final, signature suppleness. The final color is achieved. Rich, deep, and permanent, the leather now has its defining character.
Each batch is colored to specific orders, creating a diverse palette of possibilities for designers worldwide. Drying begins. First, advanced vacuum drying rapidly removes the excess water, preparing the hide for heat. Alternatively, the ancient method of toggling stretches the hide taut on a frame to dry it perfectly flat. These frames then move through tunnels of controlled heat and humidity, ensuring a slow and even drying.
The carefully controlled heat sets the shape, removes the final moisture, and completes the drying process.
Dry and stable, the material is no longer hide, but leather. It's now ready for its final beautification. For a unique and exotic look, powerful embossing presses can add any texture imaginable to the surface.
From simple cowhide to exotic reptile skin, a new identity forged through immense pressure and controlled heat.
Every single piece is digitally measured for precise inventory, ensuring accuracy for sale and production.
From a raw, perishable material to a finished product of luxury, durability, and timeless function. The journey is complete, a testament to modern industry, chemical alchemy, and a timeless, enduring craft.